was getting it on the dance floor, glancing around shyly. When names tried to step to you, gave them that look like, why me? You'd either tell them no or start moving away slightly. And now I'm blaming girl, cause ain't none of them names like me. One hand on your hip like you was reaching for your holster. Saw you dropping dipping, so I moved a little closer. Swear I saw surprise in your eyes soon as you spotted me. Already recognized I'm not the type you see commonly.
I swear I've seen this happen before. It's almost deja vu. What goes around comes back around. And it's about time I pay my dues. And although I feel I know you, I know I don't have a clue. Girl, you said it so boldly when you told me that you showed me that it
Less than 3 minutes ago you was like, who that? Your mind say I'm a stranger, but that liquor saying screw that. You tell me you can dance, I challenge you by saying prove that. And the harder that you grind, the more I warn you, girl, don't do that. Too late now, I'm fully extended, but you far from offended. The truth of the matter is you got what you intended to. I feel I've known you like we're long-time friends from school, and yet we talking, doing things that friends don't do, except in relationships. But we ain't on no patience shit.